So far, our UI is generated on the fly with 5 items and fixed layout. Let's introduce the data model to drive the UI. Create a new Dart file, call it thread summary. Our data model will be a class thread summary, which contains a list of strings as sender, one subject, and one snippet. We also have a list of strings representing the attachments. Finally, the URL of the avatar for the last sender. Give it a constructor. Go back to the main file. Let's introduce a new variable in the state to hold all the threads. Import the thread summary. Now we can specify the item count as threads length. And in the item builder, we can replace all the hard-coded strings with fields in the thread summary object. So first of all, we should get the thread summary from the thread summaries list. Now we have the thread object. We can use it to populate all the fields. Extract the code to build the attachment button into a new method so we can reuse it. Build attachment button. Let's pass in the attachment name and display in the text widget. Remove the whole list and generate attachment buttons from the data model. Run the application. We got no error, but still we need to add some fake data to display something. Because we specified the avatar URL, let's change the circle avatar to use that URL as well. Let's give it a try. Okay, we have our UI driven by our data model.